Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, in the National Scholarship Portal, as per the UGC schemes, out of the so many UGC schemes, so right now the 4 different types of scholarship schemes are open now. That is Ishan Uday, PG Indira Gandhi, and PG Indira Gandhi scholarship for single girl child, and PG scholarship for university rank holders, and the PG scholarship scheme for the SC/ST students for pursuing the professional courses. So these scholarship applications are open till 30th October 2020. So now I will tell you the details regarding the details of the qualifications regarding these 4 different types of programs. So here in the Indian Express, they mentioned here, coming to the Ishan Uday Special Scholarship Scheme for NER, Northeastern regions. The scholarship aims to promote higher education in the northeastern regions. Under this scholarship, the students of NER who have passed class 12 can avail variable financial assistance. They are required to have secured admission in the first year of a general, professional or technical or medical or paramedical courses at a recognized college or institute or university. The annual income of the family must be less than the 4,50,000 from all the sources. And the total 10,000 number of scholarships will be available, and awards are up to 7,800 rupees per month. The application timeline is between the August and the November, and online application mode through the National Scholarship Portal. Coming to the next one is the PG Indira Gandhi scholarship for the single girl child. So as the name suggests, this scholarship is meant to support girl education and compensate for the direct costs involved in their education. The girl students who happen to be the only girl child in their families and are below 30 years of age can avail benefits under this scheme. They must have taken admission in the first year of a regular full-time master's degree course at any designated university or the postgraduate college. The total number of scholarships are the 3,000, and eligibility is a single girl child up to 30 years of age. So 36,200 rupees per annum for 2 years, and the application time is between the August and November. Next one is a PG merit scholarship for the university rank holders. So here number of scholarships are the 3,000, and the whatever the candidates are applying for this one, they have secured the 60% of marks in their graduation below the 30 years, and they must have completed their graduation in streams like physical sciences, life sciences, chemical sciences, mathematical sciences, earth, social sciences, commerce or languages. Total 3,000 scholarships, and the university rank holders first and second at the UG level and pursuing the PG. And while coming to the last one, that is a PG scholarship scheme for SC/ST students for professional courses. So aim to support the PG studies of students in professional subjects. So this scholarship is particularly meant for the students belongs to SC/ST category, and they must be studying in one of the recognized institutes, university or the college. Number of scholarships are 1,000, and eligibility is the SC/ST students studying in the first year of the professional courses at PG level. So scholarships up to 7,800 rupees per month, and contingency up to 15,000 rupees per annum. And the application between August and November, and application mode through online. Next one is the Dr. D.S. Kothari postdoctoral fellowship scheme. So under this scheme is only for the PhD degree holders up to 35 years of age. Okay, the total number of fellowships are 300, and fellowships up to 54,000 per month, and contingency 1 lakh per annum. So it is open round the year. Fine. So apart from the PDF, the UG scholarship is the Ishan Uday, and PG scholarships are these 3. Okay, so whoever the candidates are eligible, whatever the eligibility terms I told right now, so please try to apply to the scholarship, guys. Okay, and all the best to your career. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys.